Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use Notion templates for freelance invoice management in 2025. The easiest way is to get started by grabbing an invoice tracker or finance template from Notion gallery or community. These usually include properties like client name, invoice number, amount due date, payment status, and the method, so the system is ready right out of the box. Once you've added the template, customize it for your own freelance workflow. Add tags like pending, paid, or overdue. Link each invoice for your client database, and even embedded PDFs or recipes directly into the page for quickly access. Notion different reviews make it simple, so stay organized. A calendar view helps you track upcoming due dates. A board view groups invoices as payment status, and the table view gives you a clean overview of all your earnings. To make it even more powerful, connect your invoice tracker with your project database. This way, when you finish a project, you can instantly generate or link the corresponding invoice. And when it's time to send invoices, just share polished Notion page or exhort giving clients a professional experience without juggling multiple tools. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.